How to open a MEXC account. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of opening a MEXC account, one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges today. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from MEXC, visit coinaz.net/MEXC. Or click on the link to open a MEXC account in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, choose the method you want to use to open your account. I'm going to open my account using email. Next, enter your email address and create a password. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. After entering your password, click Sign Up. Please slide to complete the CAPTCHA. Now, you need to enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email. Please check your email to get the code. This is an email that MEXC sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the verification code. I will enter the code here. Your account has been successfully created. Now, you need to verify your account. Click here. Then, click Identification. There are two levels of verification: primary KYC and advanced KYC. Advanced KYC offers you greater benefits, enhanced security, and higher trading limits. To start the verification process, choose Verify via web or Verify via app. I'll guide you through verifying on the web. Advanced KYC includes 2 steps: submitting a photo of your ID and completing face verification. Click Start Verification. First, please select the issuing country of the document. For the type of ID document, you can choose an ID card, passport, driving license, or residence permit. I'll choose an ID card. Here are the requirements for your ID photos. Please read them carefully and follow the instructions. Next, you need to provide photos of your ID. There are 2 options: take a photo or upload a photo. I'll choose to upload a photo. Click here to upload a photo of the front of your ID. Similarly, click here to upload a photo of the back of your ID. Once both photos are uploaded, click Continue. Next, select your country of residence. Then click Continue. MEXC needs access to your device's camera. Click Continue. Click Allow. Then, follow MEXC's instructions to complete the verification process. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. To protect your account, you should enable two-factor authentication. First, click here. Then select Security. You need to link one of the following methods: mobile verification or Google Authenticator. I'll guide you through verifying with the Google Authenticator app. Click Link now. The first step is to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Now I'll show you how to download the app. First, open App Store. If your phone uses the Android operating system, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. You can choose to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose to enter a setup key. First, enter your account name. Next, enter your key. Now go back to the MEXC website. Click Next. Click here to copy the key. Next, paste the key here. Then click Add. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Click Next. The final step is security verification. Click Get Code. Then check your email for the code and enter it here. Next, enter the code from the Google Authenticator app. Click the code to copy it. Paste it here. Then, click Submit. You have successfully set up two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Similarly, you can set up phone verification by following MEXC's instructions. I've just shown you how to open a MEXC account. Wishing you success.